Hi PBS, my name is Vito Ferrante and I'm applying to be a learning media digital innovator. And I thought the best way to do that would be to take you through just like a typical day at my and how I teach. Now I am a math teacher, but I'm also a director of educational technology, and my school uses a learning management system. To me, it doesn't really make any difference which one it is, although the one we use I love. It's called Schoology, and what I thought I'd do is just take you through a typical day of how I structure a class. I use the flip model, so I'm a huge believer that students can progress at their own pace and be the creators of their content, if that makes sense. Rather than me delivering the content, they actually create the content. So here's an example of like a day that I would have. I love for students, for example, to think out loud. Each one of them have their own YouTube channel where they think out loud in terms of solving problems. So I get an insight into how they're actually thinking. I like to teach them a tech skill, usually once a day. We have a block schedule, so we have a lot of time. So they can actually create some really creative ways of representing their understanding. We use iExcel, which is based on gaming principles where students try to better themselves all the time with scores and badges and that sort of thing. And this is probably my favorite project. I realize I only have like 30 seconds left, but this is what I call math stories, where students actually create narratives where they incorporate their understanding of the math that I've been showing them in some kind of a context of a story, of a narrative. So, for example, these three boys love soccer, so they did something with soccer and geometry. These girls did an under the sea thing with geometry concepts. So I hope this represents well who I am. Okay, thank you.